A very good evening. It's 6:35 here in Bangladesh, and I'm so glad that Prabhaji has invited me to this grand, I would say grand, till now what I've witnessed is grand forum, and I'm happy that I could make time for it. Before I go on with what I wanted to say, let me tell you a very small incident. When I was coming from Patna, it was in a rush, so I forgot to take off my pin, the pin I was wearing, inner wheel pin, this one, my Dhaka note. So I went to the airport, and when I was coming, I had lots of shopping I had done in Patna, and I couldn't pull and pull and pull. And the officers there, they just came up, they saw the pin. Oh, ma'am, in Kolkata, can we help you? They saw the pen. See how important this pen is for us. I felt so. What are you? I said I'm going to be the same. And they carried my luggage from the moment I came till the plane. So this is what Innovate Pen is also about. It's an honor. I think it's a great honor for us. And then again, I went to what do you call this, Morocco, and there, let me show you. I just brought this to show you. I hope I can show it. What Inner Wheel is about. If you see, it's in Rabat, Agadir, Morocco. The place. The moment I said we met somebody
So
there,
it's the other side. Yeah, that's right. Perfect.
Is it okay now?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Okay. I said she asked me, what do you do? We went to attend the marriage. I said, nothing much, but I do a bit of social service. She just jumped into her car. She went home. She brought this flag and said, "Can we exchange flags?" I said, "I haven't bought one. I didn't know in Morocco, but there, I think through France, they submit their report and all that." So she went. This is what Inner Wheel Friendship is all about. She brought this, and then she treated us to a great, fantastic breakfast. Just because I was an Inner Wheel member. These are my experiences. And of course, we've been together in SAR and in the Melbourne Convention, and then Mamtaji's installation, and so forth and so on, so forth and so on. So this is how I started enjoying. Much before I became the chairman, I enjoyed all these things. So let me read out a bit of thing I wrote for all of you. This is Happy Friendship Day, and this is my club flag. Did I hold it like that or like this?
Like this.
Like this.
This is okay.
This is
No,
This is a knot in a will district 345. And here is a bunch of roses for all my friends out there across the boundaries. This is love from Bangladesh members of Innovi.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
It was really
Happy
my pleasure.
Eid.
Happy, thank you. So actually, I've written the flicker of light during this sad stage of COVID-19 is this get together today with strangers who are friends we have not met. Here I remember the International President Vivian Bolton in 2000 and 2001. That was just 3-4 years after I became the president. We got her theme, and till then we have been continuing with this very beautiful thing that all these people that I've met today, I don't know many of them, but today they've all become my friends, and all thanks goes to Onavdi and Babaji. Thank you so much for arranging this wonderful event. Here, I would like to mention, henceforth I used to donate funds on one-to-one basis before joining Inner Wheel. Then I thought one day, I can't help much. Then a friend of mine, she said, "Okay, come and join our club, Inner Wheel, then you can give greater funds." So I joined Inner Wheel in 1986, and then I started working on a large scale. I'm sure you all must have heard of Rohingyas who are now in Bangladesh. Inner Wheel is also working there. I think it's a big branding of Inner Wheel too there. And I'm sure all of you know about the Rohingyas. So we started there, and of course all the small and big projects. The reward of this friendship is a two-way thing. Like when we get the satisfaction of giving something, the blessings that we get from the people we donate, the recipients, I think it's very big. Like if we make a hospital, if we donate to a hospital, we don't know if tomorrow we might land in that same hospital with some bad disease, and those staffs, or they'll just help us out, or a school that we build from projects. We don't know. Someday our grandchildren might land up there. So these things that we think of, I never thought of them before I joined it. I just used to one-to-one donate, funds. Here also I would like to mention something, that friendship across the boundaries, it's like a dream come true for me. Like when I went to all these conventions and SAR and Ye, the honor, the friendship, the caring and sharing, I cannot thank, especially India. That's where I've been most of the time going. I get this platform today to thank all my Indian friends. And Jay, of course, wished me Mubarak today, and Sumidhi also wished me. So, I mean, I really take this opportunity to thank them for making me a friend. And this is all because of Innerweave. Here, another thing I would like to mention, that it's a lovely gift. There's a lovely gift of Innerweave friendship. That is, the conservative families that would never allow Muslim girls, almost some parts of our country, to go out of this thing in evenings and what are not at odd times. But now, when the husbands know what we are doing, they encourage their friends' wives to join Innerweave and make something big. I think Innerweave has done really well. I don't want to go to Oliver Cooling and all that. Babaji has already said it. I think this is something fantastic that many of my relatives, even my own daughter, who just passed from Sydney, and she came and she joined Innerweave. So I could have brought her here today, but maybe next time. And it was like her whole pattern of thinking changed when she joined Innerweave. I just don't know. She did so many projects, so many different manner, because you're carrying ideas from abroad to here. So that's why we need to cross our boundaries and get to know new projects, new ways to enrich Innerweave. So I won't be saying much more. All I want to say is that we want our blessings from all the people that we do try to do something for, and this we can only do through Innerweave on a personal level. We can never go so far. So to cross the boundaries, we need Innerweave platform. And like one more thing, I wanted to say, we did this first inter-district meet in Bangladesh during my tenure. That was with India, of course, Kolkata. Sumidhi was the chief guest. And there's another thing that I did in Innerweave village, where different places had logos where the villagers who didn't know what Innerweave or what social service meant, they are doing it. These are a few things and more, so I won't say much on my projects. Thank you so much, Raghunandan ji, for inviting me and allowing me to say a few words. Goodbye, everybody.
Thank you, Mohsena. Thank you.
Sir?
Thank you, Mohsena ji. Wonderful to hear
Unusual, extreme, harsh circumstances is causing depression worldwide. But we Innerweave members, thanks to our virtual friendly meetings, are able to keep our sanity and positivity. Our bonds of friendship are growing stronger. Don't you agree? A smile, a hug, a few loving words are the beginnings of friendship. Then we can make the world more interesting. Together, we can make a state of mind. Together, we can support each other. We can find courage in each other and spread it. With more than 110,000 friends across the globe, we can survive through these most impossible circumstances. We can and we will do it. We will lead the change. We, Swarna, Sadaf, Kamal, Shanti, Mohsena, and I now leave you with a recitation of a poem on friendship composed by me. Shweta, can we have the video, please? It's fine.
Friendship
Friendship, the word brings smiles, happy memories. Friendship evokes tears, the hurt of parting. Friendship is difficult to explain. You don't learn about it in school or college. Life's bylines teach you friendship. If you haven't learned friendship, you haven't learned anything. It is said, friends seem to be like best friends. We don't really know why. They make a sick person feel better, but they do. Friends are like vitamins. We supplement each other's daily requirements. It is said the world is round, so friendship is it. Make friends. It's fun. Having friends makes life adventurous, enjoyable, sweeter and spicier. A friend can't be grown, can't be bought, can't be picked. I admit, you cannot get one by force. Yes, maybe by accident. For friends are a discovery, a great find. This is Mohsina Reza from Innerville Club of Dhaka North, Innerville District 345, Bangladesh. Friend makes you smile on a dark, gloomy day, holds your hand and offers strength. When you stand back to back, there is less to fear. At times of distress, you can talk for days, or sit in silence for hours in the company of friends, for you know she understands.
A good friend is like a rock, a concrete pillar. A faithful friend is priceless, to be treasured, not prized. When you stand shoulder to shoulder, the load gets lighter. Together you gaze upwards, the sky looks grander. You don't have to tell your friend you are her friend, she just knows.
What more can I add except say, a good friend is a dream come true, who gives me a feeling of joy, a sense of pride, and I cherish my friendship. She makes me see the other side, while she is standing by my side. The love we share is a blessing to both, the giver and the taker. Life is enriched because of friends we have made. The common threads that bind us makes the journey smooth. Life is gorgeous, splendid, wonderful, for it's heaven on earth to have good friends.
Thank you, Shweta. Thank you, Aloka, for the opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Professor.